everybody, welcome back to R3 TV, and you already know that today is a new day. So today is, what is today? Wednesday. The last video you seen was from last week, a couple weeks ago, last week. I finally got the car back home, as you saw. So today I am in the garage trying to get this Audi going. It's a mess right now because I'm taking out the trash as well, but I got the car out here. Got a new battery in the Audi. Got the tire pumped up. Car cranks up fine, but as you can see, I am aired out at the moment because the car's been sitting for like 2 months, and it finally, all the air just, I guess, leaked out. I can't remember if I aired out or not. But the issue I'm dealing with right now is, for some reason, the controller is not working to air the car up. So when I turn the key on, this should come on so I can air up, so I can drive out of the garage. So right now I am seeing what's going on with this, but as soon as I get this going, I can move the car. But the car starts right up. Purrs like a kitten. So I'm gonna diagnose this controller, then we can get this Accord moved in the garage. So I don't want to mess with this for hours. I want to get this car moved in. I'm not going to worry about this right now. It's just going to have to scrape when I move it out, and I will figure this out when I get a chance. So right now, I'm going to put the ECU and everything back into this car, and I'm going to back it in to here. First, I'm going to back this up. Luckily, there's an open spot right there. I'm going to back it up and get her moving. So the rack and pinion barely fits on there. Had to get some vice grips to kind of squeeze it down on there, but car is in. Freaking finally in. Gonna cover up the Audi, call it a night. At least it's in the garage. It's halfway all the way to the left side, so I have all this room over here. So I'm just gonna jack it up some kind of way and move the car kind of center, and then I can get to work on it. Has lots of work to do, like I said in the last video. A couple people, AJ Imports, shout out to you. He's having faith in my car that this car is not completely trash. It's just my feelings because how long it's been and all the troubles I get with this car when I'm trying to do something with it. But hey, I'm in the garage now. I got some space to work, so I'm gonna get to it. So my goal for today is, the car is literally a foot from the wall. I have all this space over here, so I'm gonna try to jack it up in the front and push the car kind of here and then drag it in the back and trying to push it over. So that's what I'm gonna attempt to do right now. All right, so now I have the car somewhat on a jack stand, so I feel a little safer getting under the car. But as you see, that is the issue right there. The rack and pinion is bolted in over there, but this grommet and bolt has stripped and dropped. So this side of the rack and pinion has dropped. Therefore, the steering has dropped. So I need a new bushing and a bolt for this, and that should hold this side of the rack and pinion in place. I don't know if the subframe itself, that bolt in the subframe is stripped here. Hopefully I can just take this this stud out, bolt out, and put a new one in with a grommet and washer on this side, and it'd be done with. But I'll see once I only have one jack stand. Once I get the other jack stand, I'll see if that's the case on that one. Looks like I gotta put in a bolt back here. That bolt is not all the way in at all, so I need to do that. But it's not looking too bad. Found a leak on that side of the brake line. I need to tighten the brake line. That's when my brakes are leaking. Bleed all 4 brakes, and we'll have somewhat of a car that can move and stop on its own, and then we can go from there. I know there wasn't a lot going on in this video, but I'm just doing this to get used to my upload schedule. I'm trying to upload at least twice a week, once to twice a week. I pulled out the camera, recorded what I needed to do, so I'm gonna upload it. So I know this video wasn't that exciting, but I hope you guys stay along for the ride and enjoy the content as I get this Accord going. All right, peace.